For a double herringbone stitch, use 2 parallel lines as guidance. Start by making a herringbone stitch, leaving enough space in between. Using a different thread, come up on one line, go under the second stitch, go down and up on the second line. Come back on the first line, make another stitch, go under the fourth stitch, and so forth. To interlace the 2 colors, pass the thread under each second stitch of the previously made herringbone stitches and finish on the opposite line of the last stitch made.